Hello viewers, today in this video I will show you how to see your Gmail account password. Okay, let's start. Open your Gmail app. There is no option to find your Gmail password. Go to your phone setting and follow my all the steps properly. Now scroll down. Click here Google icon. Click now Google account. Click security option. Scroll down. Click now password manager. Tap now google.com. Enter your screen lock password. Now see your Gmail account password. I hope your problem solved successfully. Please subscribe my channel.